So as I read through this word problem here, I'm going to be circling any totals that I come across, so that when I go to set up my equations or my inequalities that just like the word problems, when we set them up equal to that, we'll set our inequalities up to these numbers. So it said a radio station is giving away tickets to a play. They plan to give away tickets for seats that cost $10 and $20. They want to give away at least 2 tickets. The total cost of all the tickets they give away can be no more than $280. So I've got 2 and 280. Now I need to define my variables, but part 8 does that for us. So it says X is the number of $10 tickets and Y is the number of $20 tickets. So if they want to give away at least 2 tickets, I know the number of $10 tickets plus the number of $20 tickets, Y, has to be greater than or equal to 2, because it says at least 2 tickets. And then they said the total cost of all the tickets they give away can be no more than $280. So that needs to be less than or equal to 280. So now I take the number of $10 tickets times the amount that they're worth, which is 10, plus the number of $20 tickets times their amount, because I got to take the amount of the ticket times the number of tickets plus the amount times the number here. Now I have my 2 equations. Now on the graph, the X coordinate is the number of $10 tickets, and the Y coordinate is the number of $20 tickets. Then I'm going to label my graph. So I'm just going to count by ones. Then I'm going to now graph my lines. So this first line over here, X plus Y is greater than 2. I'm just going to use my intercepts, or is greater than or equal to 2. I'm going to use my intercepts. So I'll make Y is 0, and that'll mean my X intercept is 2. And then I'll make my X is 0, my Y intercept will become 2. And then that's a straight line there. Then I'll test the point 0, 0. Is 0 plus 0 greater than or equal to 2? No. So I will shade this side over here. Then I'm going to look at my second equation. And now this one I'm going to put into slope-intercept form, though. So because if I go to make Y a 0, it would make 28. My X-intercept, and that doesn't fit on my graph. So I have 20y is less than or equal to negative 10x plus 280. Divide by 20, divide by 20, and y is less than or equal to negative 1/2 x plus 14. So my y-intercept for this line is up here at 14, and I will be going down 1 over 2. Down 1 over 2. And then I will graph this line, and that is a solid line.
Close the door.
So now I'm going to test the point 0, 0. And 0 is less than or equal to negative 1/2 times 0 plus 14. 0 is less than or equal to 14. That is true. So I will shade this side of the graph. Now we see where they overlap, and that's going to be this middle section here. And that's where, for part C, we will be using those solutions to state a certain number of $10 tickets and a certain number of $20 tickets. So those combinations there to part C.